Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. Sometimes when you're looking after a group with AB Tutor, you'll see someone doing something either very good or very bad, and you'll want to gather some evidence of what they're doing. AB Tutor offers a couple of ways to quickly grab some footage of one or more of your clients. These are the snapshot and capture actions. The snapshot will immediately take a screenshot of any selected clients and drop it into the events panel on your Tutor console. These screenshots will also be saved into the AB Tutor logs. If you want to know more about this, click on the card to watch the video. Typically, these screenshots will have the username and computer name printed in the corner, so you can tell where they came from. The capture option is very similar. However, this will record an ongoing video of the selected clients, and as such is slightly more complex. When you click on the button, you will get a dialog box asking how long you want to record for and what frame rate you want to use. Because full screen video recordings can get very large, AB Tutor uses relatively low frame rates. You can choose a range from 1 frame per second down to 1 frame per minute. These are obviously no use for recording action video, however they are plenty to give an idea of what the computer is being used for. Once you've set your options, you can then choose whether to add a username and timestamp to the video and hit start. The recording will start immediately and will appear in your events panel immediately, however you won't be able to watch the recorded video until the recording finishes. While the recording is running, you'll see an icon in the notifications area for that client to show that it is working. Once your snapshots appear in the events panel or your recording finishes, you'll be able to see the associated media by selecting it and then clicking on the thumbnail in the right panel. You can also save it to your computer by clicking on the Save or Export buttons underneath the thumbnail. Snapshot and capture are very simple ways of capturing what's going on a client. However, if you have any questions about them, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching!